Unlocking the wealth of viral TikTok stars. Bright lights, catchy tunes, and endless scrolling. TikTok has taken the world by storm, creating overnight sensations who turn fleeting fame into financial success. But how do they do it? TikTok stars like Charli D'Amelio and Addison Rae didn't just capture attention, they captivated brands. Sponsored posts, partnerships, and exclusive merchandise deals draw in significant revenue. It's not just about dancing and lip-syncing. Strategic content planning and audience engagement are crucial. These stars know when to post, what to post, and how to keep followers coming back. Behind every viral video is a team of experts. Managers, publicists, and social media strategists work tirelessly to maintain the momentum and navigate lucrative opportunities. Monetization on TikTok is multifaceted. In-app gifts during live streams convert to cash, while the Creator Fund pays based on video performance. Every view can translate into earnings. Brand collaborations are goldmines. TikTok stars lend their influence to major brands, creating tailor-made content that resonates with their audience. Brands pay top dollar for this kind of authenticity. Merchandise is another revenue stream. Personalized products, from clothing lines to phone accessories, fly off shelves, fueled by the stars' massive fan bases eager to own a piece of their idols. Diversifying platforms is smart business. Many TikTok influencers extend their reach to YouTube, Instagram, and other social media, ensuring they're not putting all their eggs in one basket. Paid appearances and events further boost their income. From meet and greets to speaking engagements, fans are willing to pay to see their favorite stars in person. Understanding analytics is key. TikTok stars constantly review their video metrics to see what works and what doesn't, refining their strategies to maximize engagement and revenue. Education and skill building play a significant role. Many TikTok stars invest in courses on marketing, finance, and content creation to stay ahead of trends and manage their brands effectively. The financial success of TikTok stars isn't accidental. It's a blend of creativity, strategy, and smart business moves. With the right approach, viral fame can lead to lasting prosperity.